Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have what matters: Visual Studio and the C++ workload. Now create a project. Open New Project, pick Console App C++, name it, and choose a folder. Once done, set platform to x86 or x64 depending on libraries, and pick Debug for development so you get symbols. Make sure to set the C++ standard, select C++ 17 or newer to match language features. Then add a single CPP file and type a main function to start compiling right away. Now focus on structuring and testing code. Add CPP and H files via Solution Explorer and keep headers in an include folder so compilation paths stay clean. Build the solution with Ctrl+Shift+B, then read the output and error list to jump to specific lines. Once the build succeeds, run the debugger. Set breakpoints, use step into and step over for logic flow, and add watches for variables. You can inspect locals, view memory or registers, and modify variables to test fixes without recompiling. Finish by preparing a release build. Change configuration, enable optimizations, and produce the final binary or installer. Once released, profile with the Performance Profiler to find hot functions and reduce CPU or memory hotspots. Make sure to test on the target architecture and run static analysis to catch subtle bugs. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting tip: for linker or unresolved symbol errors, verify include and library paths. Ensure correct runtime library and architecture match. Then rebuild clean to resolve mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.